hard to write. Drops of chalk. Instead of drops mic, drops chalk.
All right, so I want you right here. Okay. Isn't that crazy that they got this cart you can ride on and stuff?
I hope they never wash it off. Because Paige was here.
Right? Paige made it all the way from Cocoa Beach, right?
Cocoa Beach.
How's life in Cocoa Beach treating you?
You guys, I cannot complain. I can't complain. I live where you guys vacation, so.
Hell yeah. Tell them a little bit about living in Florida.
I lived here since I was 5, moved away to Georgia for a little while, found out the cold wasn't for me. I needed to be where I could be in a bikini all year long. You guys, it is December. Like, I'm about to start sweating.
Right, that's awesome. So the viewers probably gonna want to know, like, what's your situation? Are you single, you engaged, or married,
no,
or what?
There's no ring. Until there's a ring, I'm single.
Oh, guys, she's single, ready to mingle. Maybe not ready to mingle, but you know.
Hey, it has to be worth it. you ever cheat on me? All of it. The whole car.
Just like that song.
I take my keys inside of this. This is a Chevy souped up 4-wheel drive. It's a Toyota.
Don't forget to cut the seats.
Cutthroat.
Beautiful. All right, so are you ready for Christmas? This is like 2 days from Christmas here, so are you ready or what?
It doesn't feel like Christmas, but I mean, we made it through inflation. We have a great president now, and hopefully we just chug along to 2025.
Mike Marcia, come get it, big boy. Thank you so much for bringing that thing out here. It is beautiful. Yeah, he can polish it, yeah. If you need somebody to polish it, I know a guy. Thank you to all the pinup girls. That was awesome. Thanks to all the clubs that participated in the games that we had yesterday. That was a lot of fun. I overdid it in the blow-up costume. Definitely paying for it today, but it was a lot of fun. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. But yeah, guys, it's been a tough year for us here with the Hurricanes back-to-back. We appreciate every one of you guys for coming out and supporting us. And we will see all of you next year. Thank you guys so much.
They're packing up now, but I want to show you the best of show 2024. Should we ask them to record?
That's good. You're good right there. Let me get you. Picture. You're the best of show as well. So, what's your favorite type of car?
Probably a Corvette.
Nice. Any year?
I like the newest one that's out now. It kind of reminds me of Ferrari a little bit, but I don't know, it might be faster. We'll see.
Do you have any certain color you love?
Red.
Red, all right. I can see you in a red Corvette.
Well, I own a red car. It's just not a Corvette yet.
Awesome. I like your outfit. Can you spin around for me? Nice. So, do you have any mechanic skills? Can you work on cars?
I can change a tire. That's about it.
That's good. Changing a tire is good life skills, right?
Yeah. So if I break down, I'm still gonna call AAA, but if they can't get there fast enough, then I might change it myself.
Nice. So I'm calling you if I blow a tire.
Yeah, if you break down one.
Last of the Mohegans here. Oh yeah. What do you think of these two rides?
It's creamy like my skin color, so I love it even more. Vanilla, baby.
You look good next to it.
And then this one's like my alter ego. It's my dark side.
All right, right there. Face me like that if you can. Turn around, face me. That way.
Don't forget to subscribe to Slamfest Car Truck Show.
Nice.